Well, hello there. I was just counting something. You've read the title, so you know what this is about. The internet is full of tasty inspirations. Some of them have 100, 200, 300, 400, even 500 million views. And we just gathered all the ones we thought were cool, threw them into the air fryer, and we'll see what comes out of it. Simple topic. Let's not drag it out, Arthur. Welcome. Great to have you here. Let's get started. Here we go. Crunchy pasta with dip. Pasta here is totally different from the classic. The crunchy texture and creamy dip create a striking contrast. No wonder it's so popular. She's making a lot of feta. I've made it before. It's great. The pasta is cooked. Pasta goes into the pot, right? We can make two versions. We've got this. Okay, let's do it your way. Tell me how you make it. I add olive oil, and in the video I just add spices. Here I used garlic, oregano, pepper, and smoked paprika. That's my set. I'd sprinkle a bit of salt too. And what was the Parmesan for? Oh, I sprinkle it, throw everything into the air fryer and bake it. Cuba, I'll get lost. I've got my own spices, a bit different. I'm curious how it'll turn out. Oh damn, just don't tell me it's that. Cheese soup? No, I'm using turmeric to make it yellow. Oh, claimer. Well, as usual, you're going to overdo something. Why do you think that sometimes? Oh man, this is so good, I'm telling you. I'm skipping the turmeric, cocoa, almond pieces, and a lot of honey. Oh, he did something weird. See, we're worlds apart. All right, this one is delicious, right? I'm not sure I'd do it, but it looks interesting. It's awesome and sweet. Let's leave it. I'll take one, you take the other. Why? Probably an allergy to cocoa. God, I'm already after the walk, Rosie. Wait, I'll get more. No, I took too much. Dude, it's hard for me to breathe. The older I get, the more new allergies I develop. I'm afraid I'll become allergic to you, and then what? 190 degrees, right? Okay, 10 minutes. So we bake it, and in the meantime, we make the sauce. We put in the feta first. Here's a clove of garlic. Let's use a big one. Let's do 2. All right, 2 tablespoons of olive oil here and about 100 grams of Greek yogurt. No salt or pepper. Oh, there isn't any, but maybe the feta is salty, right? Feta is salty. That's true. Exactly. Give me some olive oil. All right. It smells good. So nice. So awesome. I'm moving it to the right. Oh, damn, it's tangy, garlicky, feta-like. Man, you put a lot of garlic in here. Damn, it's good, but tangy. But with that pasta, it's going to hit the spot. Yeah, I don't even know what I meant by that. And your sweet one, that's a whole different story. Great dip. All right, listen, we've got 5 minutes left in the air fryer, and we'll be back in 5 minutes. Simple as that. All right, RC, what happened? We extended it by a good 8 minutes and yours smells good. And yours? Mine stinks. Arthur. Nice. I gotta say, really nice. Now I'd hit them with some Parmesan. Yeah, bring yours over. And mine? Hey, mine looks a bit like a brownie. I've got mini brownies, but it looks cool, really nice. 2 extremes, look. Shall we try? All right. Krzysztof, this is great. It's the Parmesan, that's why. Without it, they wouldn't taste this good. They're pretty meaty too. I see why this recipe got 80 million views. More Parmesan, please. Where there's Parmesan, it's amazing. Where there's no Parmesan, it's just okay. So the pasta by itself would probably be just okay, but the extras really make it work. Simple as that. Where the Parmesan is 3 times crunchier and the sauce works perfectly. It's a toast with character. I'm really curious about yours. I can't resist, though I'm not sure it's diet friendly. But I'm interested, even if you still won't let me eat. These are rubbery. They probably need to cool first. Interesting experience. I'll let mine cool down since they're too hot to eat. Let's call him over. Where's Krzyciu Primoz? Good morning? Hello. Oh, let me say hello. And here. Afril over there. Radnishko. I have a present for you. We're making an episode, testing these recipes from TikTok. Great. Into the air fryer. Now I know why the Titanic sank. Try it by itself first. I recommend the darker ones, like fries. The darker ones, I thought I'd break my teeth. The darker ones have more Parmesan. And now you take the darker ones and dip them in the feta dip. When you look at it, you feel like you're going to break your teeth.
You with your mom, but it turns out it's Mrs. Krupa. I'll try it with my teeth. Wow, great. I haven't eaten this yet. Oh.
Peace. Look, I cut myself with a brick.
Wow, it's sweeter, but also kind of delicate. This is Chio Copy. Man, if that sweetness was just a bit more intense, it would be even better. But this is powdery. But I think there are some that are crunchier. They offer less resistance to the teeth. And nowadays, with chips costing about 10 zloty per bag, yeah, but isn't pasta better? Better for your teeth.
Hey, you can get half a kilo of pasta for 5 zloty. The garlic one is really good. Someone made it well.
Man, I like it, Mark, and that after so many episodes, you're starting to get crafty like I always do. Maybe we should take this here?
Well, you know, you said you're more into sweet stuff, so damn, here you go, show off. You're a good guy.
Great, I think it'll be a blast and not too sweet, just as you said.
It's actually much worse, like putting makeup on a corpse. No.
This is a corpse.
Yes, honestly, I got distracted. I'm just eating and dipping, and if you keep talking, I'll forget. Did I check this recipe? Yes. Here you go, but I spat really far. That much? Sorry, my hands were full. Yes, it could have had those views, you might have liked it, it's worth making, and the dip is awesome too. My version needs some work, probably less honey, it's too chewy. Thank you, honey. Yum, yum, yum. Let's move on to the next one. The effect of the spreading yolk does all the work here. It's one of those moments people watch over and over. A simple idea, but visually really strong. Well, the guy made toast with an egg. But you know I'll make this for my wife on Sunday for breakfast like this? Wives don't eat things like that. A bacon sandwich? But I think this little bowl is genius. 5 million likes, right? We set it for 20 minutes, one per meeting, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we'll fire up that second air fryer in the back and put them in right away, yeah? All right, I like that. It's not just about testing the recipe, but also improving them. You see, Kuba, what's going to happen here? I'm making what's called a marshmallow checkerboard. We'll make marshmallow in the next recipe, so it'll be exactly the same. On bread? No, not on bread, but we'll add chocolate to the marshmallow. Let's start with what's better. And I know what you picked for yourself. There's always something you don't like. You sheriff, and hasn't the egg cooked yet? No, not yet. I think this will be good. I set it to the usual 25 minutes at 200 degrees since I'll be back in 5 minutes. Are you still making it, Arthur? Are these viral recipes? You still have a sandwich after half an hour? Well, I prepared everything for you, old man. What did you prepare for me, huh? But you made the viral version. I'm not making the viral one. The other one seems faster. Well, great. Now you have greasy hands and 3 times less bacon. I managed to fit 4 slices. Is that it? Beautiful, Arthur. Bravo. How does it feel to earn a Michelin star? Ooh, no, now it's good. Yeah, nice. It's sarcastic. Warm jalapeno, as you know. I said I'm making a modification, not something completely different. I asked for a modification, but you made a different sandwich. I changed the ingredients and added jalapeno. If you wanted new ingredients, I could have added or swapped them. You said to modify, so I swapped them. Oh God, man, give me a break. Why did you touch me? Man, whatever I do, it's wrong. What did I even do? Are you gonna throw it away? He could have tossed it in the trash but gave it to me just to boss me around. That's just like you. But I just want to do something different. Oh, so it is possible to do something else. Damn, it was supposed to be a colorful checkerboard. What happened to it? Well, it melted. All right. You stole another trick, but fine, we'll revisit it soon. I didn't know it. I thought of it myself. That's why I mentioned it. Very good, actually. Because Claimer doesn't know the next trick, but you'll see everything in a moment. Primo, Krzichu. So, here's the thing. But Marshmallow, this is the standard version, okay? And this one has 6 million likes bacon toast? Sir, one more time. Bacon toast?
What is it? I mean, nothing really unusual. Ooh, like, ooh, but it's ooh.
We were just discussing with Claimer whether something has to be amazing to be cool.
I think that's a comfort, a warm little egg.
That's only because I watched closely and took it out again since it didn't fit. Bacon, right.
Little egg, something, well, feed me, or even more? Well, sure, but so it's like someone gave you a lollipop and took it away right after.
But didn't you feel now that this toast is too dry?
No. When the egg melted, yes, I felt that, yes.
I didn't have that, so I have to eat the other one because I had something great.
It tasted like buttermilk. Well, I don't know. Oh, that's surprising.
That was the original, all right? And with Claimer, we made our own versions. Claimer, of course, did the sweet side. Oh, wow.
And that looked good, too.
I'd like to hear from you-know-who here, the enthusiast.
Well, of course.
But interesting.
But Nutella is like a cake, like a cover. They shot here. Chocolate.
Chocolate in the middle, yeah? And crazy. I mean, well, I don't want to talk, but it's good.
Bravo. I'll be honest with you, I would encourage it.
There's no point in trying now since Akchik wanted to do something there, right? Ooh, yeah.
Jesus, how's this gonna turn out? Hey, the egg, damn.
No, but the egg white isn't set yet.
Ooh. It got there, it probably made it, bravo. I'd want it like that.
That's better. This has character. Add jalapeno and parmesan on top and it's perfect.
I'll tell you, if this was torture, you could torture me like this. No. All 3 for me, all 3.
Can it have variations? It can. But modify it a bit because the previous one was a little too simple, even though it's a perfect base, a foundation, yeah. And literally a 20-second insert, but you'll be satisfied. If you want to get this kind of equipment every month, which we send you, write in the comments what crazy episode we should record next on the channel Pobite Gary, a kitchen with a tongue-in-cheek approach. We'll read them all, we'll definitely make a few of them, but we'll choose the one that captured our hearts. The task isn't hard, it's really easy to win this awesome piece of equipment, so write your comments and keep watching. I think I need to grab an energy drink and a zero sugar soda for myself. You don't have energy for anything, damn. Well, ooh, pure pleasure and no fuss. A few minutes and you have a dessert that looks like a party hit. It's proof that sometimes the simplest things win. I chose it because it has 4 million likes, so I think we need to test it, but you spoiled my fun because we almost tested it already. But almost because it was on bread, but we'll do it the way it is. There's a recipe, we'll eat it with a cookie, and you'll decide if it's okay, right? No, we'll use it, yeah. I don't know, I didn't do anything. What do you mean, no, when you spilled it? Damn, you don't say why we're recording for so long. I even spit on myself. No, we'll put it together, yeah. She really likes you. You've already annoyed me. I want to see how you handle it, not the way you do. Why aren't you helping? I did my job, but you ruined it and spilled everything. No, it probably has to be packed tightly, not just thrown in with air. No, this isn't a job for two people. I can hold your hand, man. I was handing it to you. Damn, have a drink. Whoa, now I was hustling, all touched up. What do you think? Maybe it'll be okay. It's not clear, right? Does this bowl fit into the air fryer? All right, let's use the lower one. You guys use the smaller one. It doesn't fit, it's too tall. Remember, an air fryer isn't an oven. Did I notice something? No, I did. Chocolate chunks on top. I think it'll be awesome, Claimer. Not sure about the time. Set to 180 degrees as usual. I'll see how long it takes. Set for 20 minutes, I'll let you know the actual time and how fast the chocolate melts. I messed up. It's 4 minutes and you add the chocolate after that. Did you watch the video? No, I watched it. No, sorry, really. Listen, you were laughing at such a simple recipe and I made it twice. Oh God, that's sad, but maybe it won't be so bad. Something is already browning, so it'll be fine. Maybe it'll work out. Do you think the chocolate will get bitter? No. No, actually, I don't know why it's layered. Just to make it harder. Because in your previous recipe, the one you made earlier, Archie, don't worry, but you're already working at the peak of your efficiency and skills. Well, that's it. We can't go any higher. Look, it's sweating all over, Kuba. Do you see that? Hey, I think it's already like that, Archie. Hey! It's nearly done. Put it in and we'll call the guys. Why are you whispering? So they don't hear. Another flaming cookie? I can't deal with you. How would they know if you say you want to call them? Jesus, you're allergic to wild boars. I took a sip, really, and I don't know where I am. Oh, Nobi, come on.
Good morning, this is fondue.
Hey, camera, you're almost ready?
No, no. No, castiga. Ooh.
Like, what's going on that it was over so quickly? It makes no sense.
For now, it seems like nonsense. Just remember.
Because I'm not afraid to get wet. He's going fast. Kuba, you can't shine like that when you're happy.
Damn. You know what? I don't know if this cookie is so sweet.
Or if ours is sweet. It's sweet. Can we dip the others? Take it away.
No, the cracker is saltier. No.
No, it's fine. Oh, look. Swoy with the cracker. Swoy. Oh, no, come on. He's throwing it in. Look.
He's really sticking his butt out.
Oh, the chocolate is soft now. Okay.
Okay.
Amigo, Katamir avoids risks.
Oh, Jesus, I'm stuck. I'm already stuttering. Yeah.
A lot of things that don't make sense. Let's say it's because it's simple. All right. But kids would get excited about this. And you, yeah. After all, this is made over a campfire. But no, that kids would get excited. Kids don't like being at the campfire. You can see for yourselves how it is.
We just eat like this.
We keep mixing. It's oddly specific. A strange combo. Sweet, salty, and crunchy in one bite. It's a recipe people click out of curiosity. Look, complicated? Just 2 pieces of bacon. That's a tiny, almost useless piece. Do you add it to the whole sausage or just half? He only cut 1. I make 2 because his are thicker. Cranberries. You're taking shortcuts, man. Don't do that. Now I have the perfect pocket and everything's ready. Well, pretty much. Yours will be easier than cutting it out in the middle. Work smart, not hard, Archie. Well, what? It's done. Well, I can't say it's not. Well, wow, you're quick. That was clever. But I eat it without that. Look. Oh, what an idiot. What an idiot. Oh, you. We'll make some more, right? Well, we need to make 4. Okay, let's go. Sausage cranberry? I'm curious how this cranberry will work. He modified something somewhere. I don't think there's any here, I'm telling you. Well, why go crazy, right? Camera? Okay, my 2 are here. 200 degrees, 25 minutes. All right. We have 2, so let's make another regular one. Ground meat, chopped meat. We'll make fondue with this, but that's bacon too. Yeah, it is. We'll just mix it all together, right? All right, that's enough. It should be good. Cranberry goes on after baking, right? It's just in a different form, correct? So what pairs with this? Let's clean up and then we'll see if it's worth it. 10 million views, right? This one is just like those videos. Yeah, twins. That's how it is. But wait, 1 more minute. Let's try it here and see if it makes sense. But the cheese... White sausage. Sweet. The cranberry doesn't sit well with me. For me, it's bad. Oh Jesus, the cranberry was rough. But the sausage is probably bad too. That's not what I came for. Poor quality sausage. That sounded like you came to your own butcher, man. This one will be good. Archer already went overboard size-wise. You double, I double. Oh no, this is overrated. Nothing here works. I mean, for me, cheese, bacon, and sausage make it awesome. Just that sweet aftertaste? No, the sweetness ruins it here. It's tiring. It's like you don't even want to talk about this dish. How do I bring the knife here? What an old geezer, really. If you were my wife, I don't know. The divorce papers would have been filed a long time ago. I don't understand. Guys, but it's spicy, but it's good.
Dobra, to żurawina spieprzyła. Dobra.
Damn, this one's better roasted.
Chew the meat on the surface.
Without one topping, with the other topping.
You can taste the chicken. Okay, right from the start. 8.
You each get a little piece like that.
If it spilled out of the eggs quickly too.
How does it taste to you overall? It's very salty for me. Salty and sweet?
Maybe I'll go?
All right, then you do it.
Give that to me. It's a double shot, less salt, extra cheese, and it's the moldy kind.
Do you have cranberry sauce?
I don't taste it.
Oh, but where did that fat drip onto my fingers from?
You know what?
Laughs. Shaishu, I'm healing it. Did he like it? Oh,
Jesus, this is gonna be good, yeah. Spicy? I just added it for contrast? Oh.
hey, nothing bothers you. That joy is true bliss.
But look, with this, with cranberry, does it kind of neutralize? It does, yeah. And Dijon gets neutralized too, in my opinion. Yeah, you can feel it in your nose, like when you eat wasabi.
Damn! Hey!
Damn, finally, wait up.
Damn. Okay, but we came up with our own original sauce.
You already have it.
Talking about that nonsense, but a new sauce was created here live. Primo accidentally put it together. What the hell drinks when living by the winds? Well, a little sauce was made. That's the good part, right? So reward us with views. Since the other one had 10 million, let's make it 12. So, gentlemen, are you full? Stand up. That's bad because there's one more. All right, Bull, bring those sandwiches. I swear to you, 5 viral fatty recipes. Blows your mind. What is this woman on? Artur is looking. Crispy, beautiful buns that will blow your mind. Cheese, ham, everything chopped up like a random holiday salad. Kind of like that. Fried egg on top, bun baked with the heel. I think this will be the perfect dish for people without teeth. But what? It has 10 million views, so according to Artur, people can't be wrong. I'm waiting for that bun. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly. Is it right? Are they wrong or not? Oh no, the layers have cheese just like in the video, one by one, and you take some ham for yourself, my dear, just like in the video. There, it's thick, it's rich. He slapped it like that. Look, you've got sausage over there. Hey, but sorry, I ended up with sausage. Will you forgive me? Well, now it's chopped up. Oh no, either way, it's bad. You went with the guy. What's this? Yogurt? Cream cheese? What's next? Tomato. Did you ever play tomato? I never understood that game. How did you not understand? Hey, when you were little, did you want to play tomato? Wait, I need to remember what that was about. No, you just say anything and someone keeps saying tomato. It's brilliant. As a kid, you couldn't stop laughing and no one could now either. See? Let's play. Seriously, with you. I can tell you a joke. It's on a tree, has 4 legs, it's green, and if it falls, it can kill you. A billiard table. Artur, how long are you messing with this? I'm doing it just like the recipe says. But does the recipe say tomato or tomato skins? He sucked all the juice out of the tomatoes and left the skins for protection. But why are you laughing? That's actually how you make some sauces. Okay, you have tomato skins, right? Well, that's how I understand the recipe. Do you need any help? Better not. Can I put this in now? All right, we've got parsley in there, cream cheese, which will be good, but it might actually be okay. But there's too little cheese, right? I think it's fine. Buns. It's called a morning bun in the store. Are you going to help me or just stand there? I'm leaning here to help you. I'll tell you, your life hacks wore me out. I think this will be fine. And a slice of cheese on top, right? And they just threw it on there hardcore. But let's put them all in the bottom pocket, okay? Actually, the bottom pocket is for Casserole's pizza, so it'll be perfect. We'll set it to 190 degrees, and for now we'll give it 18 minutes because we'll be checking on it from time to time anyway, so that's not a problem. See you in a moment. You didn't do a damn thing today, damn it. Your stress is normal, damn it, you. My blood pressure is 150/90, and what are you using to measure it, damn it, with a scale, darling? Maybe even too much? No, it's perfect, just like him. Oh my, there's no way I can eat the whole thing. Boys.
I just wanted to say that the boys are at the agency.
And we are young wolves. Who wants to go get a roll? Me.
Listen, I'm so curious. Is it just a shell?
Oh.
How did you even close it? Come on, how much did you cram in here? Let's go.
Go! Oh man.
Damn, what's going on here, right? So wet. Oh my god, I'm in co-object.
He's typically the kind of guy who walks around. It's also better from above, right?
Yeah, but the whole thing, wow. Wow, usually I'd pay about $7.30 for it, but in Steppen I'd say around 10.
Get it? It's more about seasoning. I've got some red jalapeno here. Nice Mexican, red jalapeno.
I'll try it too.
I never thought I'd say it, but this is today's best. Yeah, there was the first toast. It was good. Pasta, that jiggly gel, something interesting, and the garlic feta dip. But I was waiting for the big day. But what now? This is number 2. So, should we turn off the lights and take it away? Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Check if you're subscribed. You know, we're YouTubers. That's like currency for us, so we'd really appreciate it if you support us. I'll say
that I liked everything today.
Because, you know,
that's everything. Everything was good. Keep watching our episodes and follow this channel. It's honestly worth trying.
So take care. Bye. I'm going to sleep.